Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10. Exercise 3.5 question number 4 part 3rd. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables, because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First geometrical method, second algebraical method. Geometrical method shows three systems. First consistent system, second inconsistent system, third consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line and consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical method. There are three types of algebraical method. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.5. Question 4. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by any algebraic methods. It means you solve your question by any algebraic methods. There are three types of algebraic method. First substitution method, second elimination method, third cross multiplication method. You can solve your question by any algebraic methods. Clear? Question 4 part 3rd. Yes scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. It is first situation. It is first situation. According to second situation, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then yes would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? You find how many questions were there in the test. According to first situation, yes scored 40 marks if 3 marks getting each right answer and 1 marks losing for each wrong answer. According to second situation, yes scored 50 marks if 4 marks been awarded for correct answer and 2 marks deducted for each incorrect answer. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the board. Let correct answer. Equal to x and incorrect answer equal to y. Correct answer x, incorrect answer y. Then according to first situation, according to first situation, according to first situation, here get 3 marks for each correct answer. 3x losing 1 mark for each wrong answer plus 1y equal to 40, equal to 40. It is first equation. Or 3x plus y minus 40 equal to 0. It is first equation. Here 40 you can write it on left side of equal, then it become minus 40. It is first equation according to first situation. Clear? According to second situation, according to second situation, 4 marks been awarded for correct answer. 4 years plus, here minus, it is deducted marks. Here minus, it is deducted marks. Clear? Here minus 4 marks awarded for correct answer and 2 marks deducted for each incorrect answer. Here 2y equal to 50. Here 50 you can write it on left side of equal. Clear? It becomes 4x minus 2y minus 50 equal to 0. It is equation second. You find equation first and equation second according to first situation and according to second situation. Clear? Here it is scored marks for x correct answer. It is deducted marks or losing marks for each incorrect answer. It is total score. It is awarded marks for correct answer. It is deducted marks for each incorrect answer. It is total marks. Clear? First equation, second equation. Clear? Now multiply by 3 in equation second and multiply by 4 in equation first. Clear? Multiply by 4 in equation first and multiply by 3 in equation second. Clear? Multiply by 4 in equation first. Multiply by 3 in equation second. Clear? It become 4 3 ja 12. 12x minus 4y minus 160 equal to 0. It is equation third. It is equation third. Here. Equation third. And here you multiply by 4 in equation first. 4 3 ja 12x. 4 1 ja 4y. 4 multiply 40. It become minus 160. Clear? Multiply by 3 in equation second. Clear? Here 3 4 ja 12 x minus 3 2 ja 6y minus 3 multiply 50 150 equal to 0. It is equation 4. You find equation 3 and equation 4. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now subtract. Subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Clear? Equation 3. 12x minus 4y minus 160 equal to 0. Equation 3. Equation 4. 12x minus 6y minus 150 equal to 0. It is equation 4. Draw a line and change its sign. Here minus, here plus and here plus. Clear? You can cut it. Plus 12x minus 12x. Cut it. Here minus 4y, here plus 6y. Subtract it. It become 2y. Plus 2y. Here minus 160, here plus 150. Subtract it, it become minus 10 equal to 0. Clear? You can write minus 10 on right side of equal. It become 2y equal to 10. Clear? You can cut it. 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 10. Y equal to 5. You find y equal to 5. Clear? You find y equal to 5. Here 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 10. Clear? Y equal to 5. Now put y equal to 5 in equation third. Clear? Equation third. Put y equal to 5 in equation third. Equation third is 12x minus 4y minus 160 equal to 0. It is equation third. Put y equal to 5. Here 12x minus 4 multiply 5 minus 160 equal to 0. Here 12x minus 5 4 ja 20 minus 160 equal to 0. You can add it. Minus 20 minus 160. It becomes 12x minus here 180 equal to 0. You can write minus 180 on right side. It becomes 12x equal to 180. Clear? You can cut it. 12 1 ja and here 12 1 ja 12 5 ja. Cut it. Here you find x equal to 50. You find x equal to 50. Here 12 1 ja 12, 12 15 ja 180. Clear? x equal to 15. You find y equal to 5, x equal to 15. Clear? We solve. Solve equation first and second. Equation first and second, and we find x equal to 50, y equal to 5. We find x equal to 50, y equal to 5. Hence, correct answer equal to 50. Incorrect answer equal to 5. Total question, correct answer, incorrect answer. Total question. Question, x plus y equal to 15 plus 5 equal to 20. Answer. Total question x plus y equal to 15 plus 5 equal to 20. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Solution is clear? No confusion? Very good. It is easy? Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Clear? No confusion? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.